Hello friends, it's Marvin Salcedo with Salcedo Lawn here, and I wanted to take a moment. You might have noticed that your grass is not greening up as fast this year as it normally does. And don't worry, that has to do with the cool nights that we've been getting over this past month. Normally we have a lot warmer night, but recently we've been in as low as into the 30s and 40s, and that's going to keep your grass coming out of dormancy, make it a little bit slower. But we've got some warmer temperatures on the way, and you'll see your grass start to green up a whole lot faster as soon as it warms up in the evening times. And we have those nice hot days. You'll see your grass starting to turn green. So don't worry if your grass is still a little bit brown. This is still coming out of dormancy. It's nothing to worry about. So hey, if y'all have any questions, please leave them below. I help you however I can. Thank y'all so much, and y'all have a wonderful day.